Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm going to be preparing Kori Rasam or chicken rasam, which is traditionally prepared here in Tamilnadu. This is a very light soup which is enjoyed during summer. Here I've heated 2 cups of water. To the water I've added 1 teaspoon of coarse salt. I'll be adding 150 grams of bone in chicken. That's chicken pieces with the bone. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 5 to 6 coriander stem and 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 4 green chilies which is slit. Everything should be added at once and covered and cooked. We'll be adding the spices later once the chicken starts to cook. During the summer season, a lot of people have or they get fever. They have throat irritation. That is when this rasam is served. So it's nice and light and it's very soothing. Here I'm going to be adding cinnamon stick, fennel seeds, cumin, cardamom, cloves and star anise. I'll stir everything once, cover and cook the chicken till it's nice and tender. Here you can see the rasam is almost ready. The chicken is cooked well. Now I'll strain this, shred the chicken and reserve the rasam. We'll be preparing the rasam. So I'm going to be preparing the tadka for that rasam, or I'm going to season the rasam. Here I've heated ghee about 1/4 teaspoon and I've reserved. I've shredded the chicken and strained the rasam and reserved. To the ghee I'll be adding crushed garlic, finely chopped coriander, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, equal amounts of cumin and pepper, that is 1 teaspoon, and the shredded chicken. We'll fry all of this for 2 minutes. Now once the chicken has fried for 2 minutes, I'll transfer the strained rasam and allow this to boil. Once the rasam starts to froth, that's when you need to switch off the flame. Add about 1/2 teaspoon or 1/2 lemon. Stir everything well and your rasam is done. It is very simple, a very soothing rasam, and there are days when you don't feel like preparing anything. Just have this rasam, you'll feel so refreshed. Try it and post your comment.